Hello again, everybody. I want to shoot this quick video for Ben. He is one of the subscribers. He's also somebody who's building an Allen Mogul. He asked me about jigs for machining the side rod, so let me show you that. Those are some of the jigs that I had, and the first one I'll show you. This is a heavy-duty piece of angle iron. It's like 1/4 inch thick by 2 inch. And as you can see, I machined it in the mill so that it's perfectly square on the outside, and I machined the flat that goes into the vise underneath there. And what I would do is clamp this in the mill vise like this, and then clamp the side rods down with these steel straps, and then I was able to machine them that way. So I hope that makes sense. It was a great way to hold the rods. The other thing I want to show, let me show you this. This is an odd way to do it, but here's a video of me. These are the side rod, adjustable side rod pieces of aluminum bar that I used for, as you can see in this video, which I can't upload, but it's on my iPad. That's what they look like stationary. Well, that thing's loading right now. As soon as it plays, I'll show you again, but meanwhile, let me jump back here. This is what the rods look like. It's like 1.25 inch by 1/4 inch aluminum bar stock that I bought at Home Depot or something. And that gives you the ability to set the holes the exact right distance so that you can move the chassis back and forth. You fix these on either side, you adjust them, you tighten up the screws, and then you can slide this ain't even gonna play, but you put it on there as your temporary side rods, and you can move the chassis back and forth on the track and make sure that you don't have any binding. So it gives you the ability to set your side rods just perfectly. And as you can see, I wrote down the measurements. I put them back in the mill, and then I centered each one, and then I would run to the next one and center it. And you can use your DRO to get the exact distance so that you know exactly how, to 1/1000ths to machine. Like this distance is probably supposed to be 10.5 inches and came out to 0.499, so 1/1000ths less, which obviously is not a big deal. Anyway, so you can see the markings that I made, and I machined, when I machined my actual side rods, that's what I used, and it worked out perfectly. So Ben, I hope that helps. And I've made some more progress. I'll upload some videos soon, hopefully tomorrow, and you'll all see my progress I made with my blowdown valves. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep y'all posted.